we are going to configure admin center in WebSphere Liberty. For this, first we are going to create a service Maven in Docker Compose. Here I have used the server.xml which is already there in WebSphere Liberty. So I have used a feature manager, basic registry and administrator option. I have added these options and I am going to replace this server.xml. Now I am going to create a Docker file. Inside this file I am going to create a war file of my project. So I am pulling image Maven. Then I am going to add my project and I am going to run ambient clean install to create a war file. Then I am going to pull WebSphere Liberty image. This version of this image is supporting Java 8. Now I am going to copy this war file which I have created in this previous image, and I am going to copy this war file inside WebSphere Liberty config drop-ins. In this place I am going to copy this file. Now I need to install admin center, so I am using install utility and I am going to install admin center inside this WebSphere Liberty container. After that I am going to copy this updated server.xml, so it will replace existing server.xml file of WebSphere Liberty. Now I am going to expose some ports. So admin center will be opened on 9443 port, but some other ports also I am going to expose in case if I need those. Now if you see my Docker Compose file, here I have used the 3 services including Maven. Now I am going to run Docker Compose up. Okay, all 3 containers are created. Now it is going to perform other operations. Okay, now my WebSphere Liberty container is running. I am going to open admin center. It can be accessed on 9443 port. So this is the URL. I need to accept SSL warning because it is localhost. And here the password I am going to use, which I have used in server.xml. So I am inside my admin center. Here if you see this explore option, okay, this is the default server, and under applications this is one application which I have just configured on WebSphere Liberty. It is in running state. Here other operation you can perform for application like start, stop, restart. Monitor you can install here other plugin to see other matrices. Under configure option, here you can configure the files like server.xml or keystore.xml. If you see this server.xml, last 3 parameters, if you are seeing this, we have added these 3 parameters. And you can see this in UI also, like administrator role, user registry and feature manager. These parameters we have added here and updated server.xml. These are the other options of server.xml. So one application is in running state. So this way you can install admin center inside WebSphere Liberty. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you for watching.